Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Home Style Fusion. Today's recipe is Modak, a sweet offered to Lord Ganesha during Ganesha Chaturthi festival. The other names for this sweet are Kudumu, Kolukattai or Kadupu. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Modak with mold and without mold. So let us begin the preparation now. Take 1 cup of rice flour and steam for 10 minutes. This process is done to get soft dough. If you don't want it, you can skip this step. This can be prepared on the previous night before the festival day to save time. Now let us prepare the stuff filling for Modak. All you need is 1 small cup of peanuts, half cup of sesame or till seeds, 1 cup of organic jaggery powder. I use this as it doesn't contain any dust particles. Few people use coconut and jaggery for the filling. Now just heat sesame seeds in low flame till you hear popping sound. Roast peanuts for some time till it is fried properly. Grind them separately. If you grind them together, you need to be very careful as this might turn into paste. Make sure you grind each one in low speed for just few seconds. Mix well with jaggery powder and the stuff filling is ready. This can also be prepared on the previous night before the festival day. Let us start making Modak now. Add 1 cup of rice flour or steamed rice flour. Now pour 1 glass of water. Add pinch of salt and little ghee. Bring it to boil. Add boiling water little by little to make dough. Do not pour more water at one shot. Knead it well to make soft dough. The dough should not be too soft, not too hard. Cover it with lid and leave it for just 5 to 10 minutes, but not for much time. You can sprinkle hot or warm water if needed for the dough. Now let us make the Modak with mold. Grease the mold well with ghee. Take the dough and fill the mold. Press down and sidewards. The mold should be filled with dough completely without any gaps. Now add the filling with small spoon. Cover the back part of the mold with dough. Press little at the side opening and now open the mold gently. The dough should be soft to get good shape without sticking to the mold. It depends on the quality of the rice flour. So make sure you take very fine rice powder. If you do not have mold, no need to worry. Let me show you an easy way to make it. Make balls of any size as you wish. Now make modak shape as shown. Turn upside down and make a hole as deep as you can without breaking the tip of the shape. Add fillings and cover the bottom part with dough. Now to look like a modak, take a knife, turn it back and make the impressions. Do not cut deeper. You can also make modak in the form of balls, and it is popularly known as kolukattai. Now place all the modaks on the plate. Steam cook for 5 minutes in high or medium flame and 5 minutes in low flame. You can also use pressure cooker. Do not open the lid immediately. Wait for some time and take out the modaks. Soft and tasty modaks are now ready. Offer these to God and have a happy Ganesh Chaturthi.